Hey guys, what's up? This is Sumang Kothari. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely good. And let me tell you, this is my first ever lingerie haul. मतलब अभी तक सोच रही हूँ मैं भाई साहब मैंने किया क्यों नहीं है आज तक ये, क्योंकि this is such a required thing. Like I myself love browsing lingerie hauls because we have like a lot of questions, and especially me being a little busty, like I fall in the category of 34. So yes, if even you are one of them, then let me tell you, I really hope that this video helps you out because I've legit got hundreds and hundreds of bras watching other different YouTubers. But कभी कभार ऐसा हो जाता है कि किसी की साइज और हमारी साइज में बहुत फर्क होता है, तो वो जो रेकमेंड कर रहे होते हैं वो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हमें भी वो काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल हो. तो या आई हैव लाइक गिवन ट्राइज टू अ नंबर ऑफ ब्रास एंड फाइनली आई हैव चोजन a few ones for you, and I'm going to be showcasing you that today. I really hope that helps. Also, this video is entirely sponsored by Zivame, and their sale starts on the 8th of September. भाई दिल खोल के शॉपिंग करो because discount offers are up to 70%. They are offering cash on delivery, they are offering free shipping, and also 15 days of returns and exchange. Dude, घर बैठ के तुम्हें एक दो ब्रास अच्छा खासा ट्राई करने मिल रहा है और नहीं आ रही है तो you can definitely feel free to exchange. Isn't that like really great? Also, I'm going to be giving you a coupon code जिससे आपको 10% और डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. भाई कर लो शॉपिंग, मैं बता रही हूँ. दिस इज लाइक वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट इंटीमेट सेल दैट इज हैपनिंग. सो या बिफोर वी मूव अहेड, ये छोटी सी 4 पॉइंट्स मुझे चाहिए था दैट यू कीप इन माइंड बिकॉज आई यूजली हैव दिस इन माई हेड बिफोर परचेजिंग अ ब्रा, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर अ बस्ती पर्सन. प्लीज नोट दिस डाउन. One, try to go for little soft padded bras or no padded at all because ना ही तो हमें साइज अपना बड़ा ज़्यादा दिखाना है, ना ही हमें चाहिए कि हम अनकंफर्टेबल रहे. दूसरा, try and get wired bras. मतलब I'm sure that this sounds a little uncomfortable, but wires literally gives you a good lift and support. क्योंकि क्या होता है, if you wear the normal bras for a little longer span of time, your boobs might end up being saggy after a certain point. The wires one will literally hold the weight of your boob nicely. Third, try and get bras which have a lot of silicone grip on it because इससे आपके bras एकदम अच्छे से in place रहेंगे. I'll show you exactly what silicone grip is in further video. Fourth, try to get a 3/4 coverage bra, not really half cup or a full cup also because half cup में तो you know आधे से ज़्यादा boob ऊपर से plunge कर देगा और full cup लोगे तो it will literally add on to your size. So yeah, these are the 4 points. So let's start with the t-shirt bra, which is the most basic one. This one is one of my most favorite bras because the color is beautiful. It is super comfortable. It is soft padded. तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. It is going to give you like a good shape, and also this is 3/4 coverage as you can see, so your boobs won't really plunge out. And this is a non-wired bra, so of course you won't end up being uncomfortable. This is like the most perfect color and type of a bra for your t-shirt. This is like the best t-shirt bra that you can get. Second, for these kind of tops, these are literally like deep necks or low necks, whatever you call it. With these type of tops, you can wear this kind of bras. As you can see, the center point is literally very low. ये cup के literally end पे है और काफी छोटू सा है. So your bra won't really flash from the center, and this entire curve thing will literally hold on your boobs at the very right place and cover them very well. Also, this one is wired, so it will hold your boobs really nicely. In fact, let me tell you, this one is not only meant for deep neck, but also you can wear this under your t-shirt if you're wearing your t-shirt for like a longer span of time, or if you're doing a lot of activities. कभी कभार बाहर जाते हैं तभी भी हम t-shirt पहनते हैं, पर बहुत activities करते हैं, तब try and getting this type of a bra. For me, this is not only for deep necks, but I also wear it under my t-shirt when I have a long day to go under my t-shirt. So yeah. Third, for off shoulders. Now I don't know, a lot of people literally go out in an off shoulder by just wearing stick-ons. That is not really the same case for busty people because your boobs are just going to be hanging here and there, and that is super uncomfortable. So I've covered you guys. Dude, this bra, this is like a super soft brushed nylon fabric. Oh my god, this is so smooth. You can literally see it in the camera, dude. Also inside, it's a very creamy texture. So this one is a strapless as well as a multi-way bra. What you can do is you can definitely remove the straps and wear this bra, or with the straps you can add on to transparent straps if you want. one thing to notice is that this bra has a silicone grip right here in the wings. इससे क्या होता है ना, ये पूरा ब्रा को जो अच्छा खासा ग्रिप देता है पीछे से, so it doesn't slips off even if you don't wear a strap. And this is wired from the bottom, which also gives you a good lift and hold. Now apart from this bra also, अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि नहीं यार, कितनी बार ऐसा होता है कि हम ये ब्रा पहनते हैं और ये भी थोड़ा नीचे शिफ्ट होने लगता है, तो उसके लिए I've got you one more strapless bra, which is this one right here. This is again a soft padded bra and a detachable strap. इसका क्या फायदा है पता है, ये जो पूरा का पूरा लाइन है, ये पूरे लाइन पे सिलिकॉन ग्रिप है, so it will literally stay in place even from the front and from the back, everywhere. It has a silicone grip on the entire inner parts of the bra. These kind of bras are really good if you have like a lot of boob weight and you know okay even strapless bras will fall off. Tab please try and get this kind of a bra. Now the question arises, what if you want to wear something which is also off shoulder and a backless as well? मतलब तब तो भाई तुम्हें हर जगह से transparent kind of bra पहननी पड़ेगी. Yes, you're right. So for such kind of tops you can get these backless bra. Dude, this is one of the bra that you like, it's a must have, let me tell you. इसमें है ना 2 स्ट्रैप था, यहाँ पे भी और यहाँ पे भी, बट मैंने सिंगल स्ट्रैप कर दिया है जस्ट टू टेल यू गाइज कि मैंने लिटरली सिंगल स्ट्रैप पहना है और ये ट्रांसपेरेंट स्ट्रैप का क्वालिटी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. सो ऑलवेज इन्वेस्ट इन गुड क्वालिटी ट्रांसपेरेंट स्ट्रैप्स फ्रॉम गुड ब्रांड्स एंड Zivame is literally one of them. And yeah, so you can definitely wear it like a V-neck or you can put into both the straps. And पीछे से as you can see nothing is visible because the entire strap is like this. It's a complete transparent strap and it's quite stretchable, so कोई problem नहीं है. But let me tell you one thing guys, जो मैंने टॉप पहना है उसके लिए तो ये ब्रा बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है. Like completely a thumbs up from my end. It's a good coverage bra, it's a 3/4 coverage, it's a soft padded bra, everything is good. But there's this one drawback कि ऐसे टाइप की ब्रास ना complete backless outfit में नहीं चलते हैं. Like for example this kind of outfit. Now इस kind of outfit में आप ये ब्रास नहीं पहन सकते हो क्योंकि ये जो थोड़ा सा इतना क्लॉथ मटेरियल है ना दोनों साइड्स में, ये दिखेगा ही दिखेगा. So for these kind of backless top, what you need to get is normal people 30-32 bra sizes can just wear stick-ons and you're good to go. But for people who are like 34 and with bigger cups, you cannot literally wear a pasty. मतलब कुछ कुछ चीज़ों में चलता है but not always, because pasties will just cover your nipple, they will not cover the weight of your boob. So what I am wearing under this is this kind of a stick-on bra. Now this is a very invisible thing and the best part that I really like about this one is that it sticks onto your boob, plus you can pull it up and then stick it onto your body. इससे क्या होगा, आपके boob को भी एक lift मिल जाएगा and it will be in a very good place and then you can wear your outfit. It will actually give your body a good figure and not let your boobs just hang in here and there with an entire backless thing, क्योंकि of course और तो कुछ पहनने की जरूरत नहीं है इसमें. Next I also thought इतनी टाइप की ब्रास ट्राई कर ही रही हूँ तो I thought I'll just try a sports bra as well. So I got this one. This is from Zivame Zivame. And guys, let me tell you, ये जो बीच में चेन दिख रही है, मुझे यूजली ऐसी चेन वाली ब्रास पसंद नहीं आती बिकॉज वो लुक्स में इतनी ग्रेट नहीं होती है. दिस वन इज स्टिल अ लॉट बेटर देन द वंस दैट आई हैव सीन. बट लेट मी टेल यू द रीजन आई गॉट दिस वन इज बिकॉज गाइज, मतलब when you are busty and workout के बाद the days that you've done shoulder, back and you know chest exercise, वो ब्रास को लिटरली ऐसे उतारना, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स आई डोंट नो अबाउट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स ब्रा दैट यू बॉट, बट यूजली द गुड स्पोर्ट्स ब्रा, द ब्रांडेड स्पोर्ट्स ब्रा में कोई क्लिप्स नहीं आते. इट्स लाइक अ कंप्लीट कवर्ड स्पोर्ट्स ब्रा जिसको आपको ऐसे ऊपर से पुल करना होता है. तो जब वो ऐसे पुल करना होता है ना, वो लिटरली आधा टाइम तो मुंह पे अटक जाता है और दूसरा टाइम योर एंटायर शोल्डर स्टार्ट्स hurting, like literally hurting when you have to pull it like this. And that's the reason that very same day I decided that I will get something जिसको बस आसानी से सामने से खोल के निकाल देना हो. In fact, this chain, once you open this chain, it also has a clip for extra to be on a safer side, I believe. So you can then remove this clip and then this bra opens. ये पूरा नीचे तक होता है. This is so easy, like just open it and throw it. That's it. Next thing that I got is shapewear. Let me tell you, I haven't tried this shapewear yet, but all I can tell you is that the material is super soft and I am sure this is gonna do its job because of course साड़ी के नीचे मुझे एक वो चीज़ चाहिए थी जो थोड़ी अच्छे से मेरा शेप थोड़ा अच्छे से बनाए रखे विदाउट द एंटायर प्लेट्स बीइंग हियर एंड देयर एंड एवरीथिंग. सो या, आई जस्ट थॉट आई कुड गेट दिस shapewear. Also, there are number of shapewears on Zivame, so you can get it according to your body type. Also, the next one bra that I literally almost forgot, but naseeb se mujhe yaad aa kya is this one. Guys, this is literally the world's most lightweight seamless bra that I've ever worn. I mean, it is super super soft. इसमें एक न्यूड कलर था जो आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो गया था, मुझे एक्चुअली वो कलर चाहिए था, बट देन ठीक है नहीं मिला, तो आई गॉट दिस वन. दिस इज एंटायरली सीमलेस एंड इट हैज़ नो वायर्स, नथिंग. You can actually wear this kind of a bra the entire day. It is like a miracle t-shirt bra, you can call it, and it is super soft. The material is very good. This is a little padded. इसमें non padded भी आती है, so you can give that try. You can give that a try as well. It's non wired. मटेरियल के बारे में तो जितना बोलूँ यार उतना कम है. इनफैक्ट द स्ट्रैप्स आर अ लिटिल थिक, तो ऑफ कोर्स आई एम श्योर इफ यू वेयर दिस एंटायर डे इट वोंट रियली हर्ट योर body at all. Overall, I love this one, dude. I literally love this one. And yeah, for this whole video, that's it. Like काफी चीजें मैंने बता दी है. But I really hope that this video helps you out. And please, सेल का तो फायदा उठाना भूलना ही मत, dude. This is going to be like the biggest sale, intimate sale ever. So don't forget 8 September, and I'm going to be leaving the coupon code right here. Don't forget to use that as well and gain 10% additional discount. And yeah, if this video helps you out, please let me know in the comment section. I would love to get a feedback, as this was my first lingerie haul. And yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Bye bye.